A very good morning to all. So let's continue from where we stopped in the last lab. In the last lab, I asked you to design a registration form, provide an elegant styling using CSS3, and to implement few of the JavaScript validations on that registration form. So your task to be completing this particular practical was deadline was today's lab. So by today's lab or before we start and come and meet in the next lab, you have to complete that particular practical. So what is the update on that practical from each and everyone? Just let me know. What is the update on each of these practicals? I'm talking about this particular registration form where you are asked to provide some external style sheet styling using CSS3, and you need to just provide few validations using JavaScript. I want to know what is the update on each of this. How much each of you have completed? Let me know in the chats how much each of you have completed in registration form. One by one, let me know in the chats. I can see very few students have joined the lab session as of now. There are about only 7 students out of 18 students. Very good ratio. Yes, guys, I want to know the update on this. No one is willing to answer? That's very good then. It's fine for me. If you don't want to answer, if you don't want to reply what is the update on this practical, then it's okay. That's fine from my side even. Okay, fine. So then I will start taking a reporting from each and every one. Because for AWT, I'm not going to allow anyone sitting idle. He or she needs to work either using his laptop or an online compiler. If you don't show me your work, I will not approve your task. Even you won't be allowed to submit your practicals to the Google Drive. Right, then let me start taking a follow-up from each and everyone. So I'll stop presenting myself. Starting from the first student, Divya, share your screen. Show me whatever you have completed so far. I know you already completed the HTML5 form as well as the CSS implementation. What other things you have implemented, let me know. So share your screen and let me see what you have done. Yes, Divya. Yeah, show me what is the last update that is done by you. That is what I'm asking. Nothing else. Yeah. What is the last update? Ishita, be ready to share your screen once Divya shares his screen. So Shubham has left the meet. That's fine. Yes, I can see your screen. What about CSS, Divya? So CSS3 and JavaScript both are left. Fine. Yeah, you can start sharing. Yeah. So Ishita has also left the meet. That's okay. That's fine for me. Praful, share your screen. Praful Kumar, share your screen. Okay. Rakshit, share whatever you have done so far. Yes, your screen is visible. Whatever you have done, just show me. Okay, you have given the background color. Fine. Okay, so I think
Javas.
JavaScript, that is, I think it is not JavaScript, it is inbuilt required function or required property of
Yes,
each.
sir. A required function.
Yeah, I want JavaScript validation. So start working on it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Smith Kachod, share your screen.
Sir,
Yes.
I now I joined the lecture in mobile because I have no light at home, sir. Wednesday,
Okay, fine.
sir,
Okay.
I can submit my project into Drive, sir, Google Drive,
That I'll inform you when you need to upload it, but not now as of now. Fine. Okay. Sahil,
sir.
share your screen. Show me the work that you have completed so far. Sahil Savalia, then Ronit, and then Raj. Yeah, awaiting your screen share. Yeah, Ronit and Raj, if you are ready, then you can share your screen even. Yes. Raj, Ronit, Sahil, share your screen one by one. Okay, Ronit and Raj. Yes, Ronit, Raj. I think Sahil has left the meet. Okay. Yeah, Raj, share your screen. Raj Budia, share your screen. I think Raj is not physically or mentally present. He is just logically present here, virtually present here. Ronit, share your screen. Ronit, Ronit Jinjuwadia, share your screen. So those who are there in the meet, physically, mentally, and virtually, all three ways, just drop your enrollment numbers in the chats. Do not write down your divisions, only drop your enrollment numbers. I'm taking the attendance. I'm taking attendance. Only 3 students are there. Those who are still there in the lab, mentally, physically present, drop your enrollment number in the chats. Only 4 students are present as of now. Raj is not present. Ronit is also not present. Sahil, are you ready to share your screen? Sahil. Yeah, you can. You can share through phone even. Sahil, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then share your screen.
Sir, 5 minutes. Some network issue.
Okay, Sahil. Okay, fine. So by the time Sahil shares, again I'm asking last time, Raj and Ronit, are you willing to share your screen and show me the work? If you are just virtually present in this lab, I am not going to give you the attendance for it. That is for sure. So guys, those who are there, start working on JavaScript validations and complete it before the next lab.
Sorry, sir, for intervention. सर आई एम
Yes,
आउट
Raj.
ऑफ लोकेशन मेडिसिन लेने गया था बाहर के लिए सिर्फ 10 या 15 मिनट में घर पहुंच जाऊंगा सर फिर शेयर करता हूँ मैं
Okay, I'll wait.
थैंक यू सर
Ronit, are you willing to share your screen? Yes, Sahil, I can see your screen.
No, sir.
Okay, okay.
सर मैंने ऐसे
I think
पासवर्ड किया था।
is left. Your voice is not clear. You can write it down in the chats, no issue. Your voice is not clear, Sahil. Yeah. Fine, okay. You need to complete rest of the validations. There are 5 validations that you need to do. All fields are compulsory, alphabets only in first name, middle name, last name. 8 characters password. Password and confirm password should match. Mobile number and alternate number should be numbers. Only these are the validations that you need to put. So complete it before the next lab. That's it. Right? Okay, you can stop sharing the screen. Yes, Sahil, noted down your enrollment number. Don't worry. So complete your complete JavaScript validations part in that registration form before the next lab. If more than 85% students have completed it, then I will start with the next practical. Complete it and prepare a PDF file with a screenshot of output and the complete code. I will inform you how to create the PDF file in the next lab. But as of now, you just need to complete your design CSS3 and JavaScript validation before the next lab. If you have completed, then I will continue with the next practical, or else you will be still doing the same practical. As I said earlier in the last lab also, until and I see that most of you have completed the task, I will not move ahead. It will be whole and sole responsibility of each and everyone actually, to complete and help your friends to complete his or her task on time. Yeah, so I expect the completion of this practical by next lab. Okay. Yeah, thank you.